Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you some of the settings for the roam behavior in Smart AI. So I'm just going to start here. We've got an AI that's set to start with roam behavior, and with it selected we can go over to the components in the details panel and select the AI component, and here we can just search for roam and that will bring up all of our roam settings. So the first thing you're going to see is the roam animations. These are used to set specific animations for when the AI is in this behavior. By default this is disabled. To enable it you can just tick the use roam anims here, and then the AI will use the animations that you have set here. If this is unticked it will just use the default animations for the AI. So next we've got our roam wait time and roam wait time deviation. Now this is just the amount of time the AI will stand still once it's reached its roam location. The roam wait time deviation is just an amount of time that's either added or minused from the roam wait time to give some randomization to how long the AI will stand still. And then we have min roam distance and max roam distance. These are just the minimum distance the AI will go from its current location and its maximum distance that it will go to. Next we have the reaction settings. So again this is similar to the animations. By default it will just use the default reaction settings, but if within the roam reaction settings you have any of the reactions enabled, it will use the reactions you have set here. So for example we could set a site reaction, so we'd tick on use site reaction, we'd create a new site reaction, click the drop down, and again, and in here we can say, for example, if the AI sees an actor with the tag player, it will attack, for example. Then we can set whether or not it's temporary, how long that temporary time is, whether it will cancel an override behavior. This isn't really relevant because this is only used if the AI is in roam, so you don't need to worry about that. Animations or audio are used if you say have it set to animation or audio. So those are the animation and audio assets it will use. And ignore reaction cooldown, you pretty much always want to have this turned off, because when an AI reacts to an actor it's put on cooldown so that it doesn't constantly react to the same actor over and over again. So usually you just want to have this turned off. So that's our site reaction, that's our roam reaction settings. And you can set audio reactions, damage reactions, and so on in here. I'll have a separate video on reaction settings, but that's just a general, a quick go over of the roam reaction settings. Next we've got the prop animations. So prop animations are the default included ones, include the smoking and the foam. And these are just animations that will be played when the AI is roaming around, and they can spawn actors that the AI can hold, so like the cigarette or the foam for these animations. So going through these settings, we've got the use prop animations, so whether or not the AI uses this system. And we've got the prop anim frequency, which is how often the AI will play one of these animations. The prop animation frequency deviation, so this will just be plus or minus from the frequency to give some randomization. Then we have prop anim order, so this is just the order of which these animations will be played. By default this is random. And then you've got the prop animations array here, so you can see we've got two set by default. Smoking and the phone call, and then we have the animation lengths down here. And to create a new one you can just plus and open up the new entry. Next we've got the roam wait anims. So these are the animations that are played between the AI moving during the animation's wait time. So those can just be set here. Again, we've just got the order of the animations, the animation array here, so there's none set by default, but you can set your own here by clicking the plus here. And then we've got loop roam wait anims. So once, if you have this set to in order, once all of the animations have been played, if this is enabled, it will go through all those animations for you. So that's pretty much all the settings for the roam behavior. There's one other setting we can change, which is the movement speed. So in the movement speeds variable, you can see we've got all of our movement speeds for our AI, and you can see we have roam here, which default is set to 180, and here is where you can change the AI's movement speed for roaming. And that's pretty much it for the roam settings, so I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the Discord, and I'll do my best to help you out. So thanks for watching.